Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to wash a Ford Ranger engine. Start with the engine cool. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical issues. Carefully cover components like the alternator, fuse box, and air intake with plastic bags. This protects them from water damage. Use compressed air or a brush to remove any loose leaves, dirt, or large debris from the engine bay. This initial step ensures a safer and more effective cleaning process. Select a high-quality, automotive-specific engine degreaser. These products are formulated to break down grease and grime without harming engine components. Avoid using strong household chemicals, as they can be corrosive. Begin by lightly rinsing the entire engine bay with a gentle stream of water from a garden hose. Keep the water pressure low to prevent forcing water into sensitive areas. After the initial rinse, apply your chosen degreaser liberally to all greasy and dirty areas of the engine. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, allowing it to penetrate and loosen the grime. For tougher spots, use a soft bristle brush or an old toothbrush to gently scrub away the buildup. Focus on areas like the valve covers and around the oil pan. Once you've scrubbed, rinse the entire engine bay thoroughly with a low-pressure water stream. Make sure all degreaser and dirt are completely washed away. Use compressed air to blow water out of crevices and off electrical connections. Alternatively, use clean microfiber towels to wipe down surfaces. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and start the engine for a few minutes to help evaporate any remaining moisture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.